Hello everyone, welcome to the Sorcery Kevlar channel. Here I'll continue the series of video on this channel that discuss Death Battle. In the first video, we cover the concept of the tiering system and its type from tier 11 to tier 3. In this second video, we will continue the discussion on the tiering system from the first video. So, if you haven't watched the first video, you can watch it first. The link is in the description box. So, without further ado, let's start the video. Tier 2 Multiversal. At this level, character or object are at least capable of creating or destroying a 4-dimensional space-time structure. It is divided into 4 sub-tiers, namely Low to C, Universal Plus. First, there is Low to C. However, before discuss Low to C, if you still don't understand the concept of dimension, it will be very difficult to comprehend. Therefore, before we delve into its meaning, we must at least know a few things related to the multidimensional world, which will become important in tier 2 and above. I will create an illustration that hopefully make it easier for you to understand the system of the universe and dimension here. A point is a zero-dimensional world where we cannot move anywhere. If we line up this point and form a line, a one-dimensional world is created, where we can move but only forward and backward. If we line up this line, it forms a plane, which we call a two-dimensional world. Here we can move forward, backward, left and right. However, if we line up the plane again, it takes to create a space where we can move forward, backward, left, right, up and down. This space is often referred to as the dimensional world. Now we understand that dimensions are worlds where axes are the basis for how high a dimension is. Zero dimension means zero axis, one dimensional means one axis, two dimension means two axes, and so on. Of course, this is easy to understand for us three-dimensional beings, but what about the fourth dimension? The answer is quite simple. The fourth dimension is a three-dimensional line up, meaning adding a fourth axis to the space itself. Imagine a space and we line it up like a scratching a point into a line, where this line of space creates a timeline. This means that fourth dimensional axis is time. To make it easier to understand, imagine a picture as a three-dimensional world with planet, galaxy, and the universe inside it. This represents physical space without time. Then we add time as the fourth-dimensional axis. Time will form a sequence, countless images, similar to a movie, where each frame represents a third-dimensional world where the movie plays. Each frame is shown one by one, which is consequence of the four-dimensional axis, a time. In other words, from the perspective of four-dimensional spacetime, we can move forward, backward, left, right, up, down, into the past and into the future. So, that's the concept of a dimension. Similarly, dimension 5, 6, and beyond follow this concept. Okay, let's get back to the main topic. At the low to C level, character object can create or destroy a four-dimensional space-time structure, meaning this character can influence an entire universe along with a flow of its type. This is vastly different from the previous level. In tier 3A and high 3A, character can only destroy limited and unlimited three-dimensional structure, but cannot influence four-dimensional structure. Referring to the earlier illustration, if we liken a three-dimensional space continuum or galaxy and the universe to a picture, then a 3A character can only destroy the universe structure within the picture. In contrast, a low to C character can destroy space-time, likened to a sequence of pictures. Examples of character in the low to C tier include Yuha from Bleach, the Ancient One from the MCU, and Enrico Pucci from JoJo. 2C Low Multiverse level. Second, there is 2C. Imagine the countless sequence of pictures mentioned earlier as a ball. This ball itself becomes a universe containing its own space and time system. If there are two or more balls, each with separate space-time system, this is called a multiverse. At the 2C level, character or object can influence, create, or destroy a small multiverse consisting of 2 to 1000 universes with separate space-time continua or structures of equivalent size. Example of character in the 2C tier include Superman from DC Comics, Son Goku from Dragon Ball, Shinra from Fire Force, and Pegasus Seiya from Saint Seiya. 2B Multiverse level. Next is 2B, similar to the previous level but with greater power. At this level, character or object can influence, create, or destroy a multiverse. Character here can influence at least 1001 or more separate space-time continua or structures of equivalent size. Example of character in the 2B tier include Chara from Undertale, Dormammu from the MCU, and Fang Mu from I Shall Seal the Heaven. 2A Multiverse Level Plus. The highest subtier is 2A. This level is similar to the previous one but broader scope. At this level, character or object can demonstrate power equivalent to influencing, destroying, or creating a large multiverse composed of countless separate space-time continuum. Example of character in the 2A tier include Rimuru Tempest from The Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, Rick Sackers from Rick and Morty, Tifa Lockhart from Final Fantasy, and Wang Ling from Daily Life of the Immortal King. Before we move to tier 1, I will provide some notes that might be important. 1. Because the distance between high-dimensional universes cannot be determined, it is impossible to measure the exact distance between each subtier in tier 2. Therefore, characters should not be upgraded based solely on multiplication. For example, someone who is twice as strong as a low 2C character will not become 2C and remain low 2C. 2. If a character is a 4-dimensional being, they will not immediately fall into tier 2 category. The character must demonstrate the ability to influence the standard structure within the subtier of tier 2 to obtain the appropriate tier. 3. Merging universe does not guarantee entry into tier 2 unless the universes are separate space-time continuum. 4. Stopping or even reversing time will not make a character enter tier 2, as such achievements are considered ability with universe range by default and do not affect the tier. 5. The previous experience of the dimension is a depiction of the standard dimension used in our dimension system, wherein Einstein relativity time is considered the fourth dimension along with the 3 special dimensions. Actually, the experience of dimension is not that simple, as dimensions are divided into 2 special space-time that form space and temporal dimension that form time. We humans live in the world with 3 special dimensions and 1 temporal dimension, and there are many types of dimension. However, to make it easier for you to understand the concept of dimension, I have followed the standard dimension explanation.